What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, ooh, oh. What's up, party people? Welcome to my channel. I am your host for today, TonyaNicole. Boo, who else would it be? Hey y'all, how y'all doing? How y'all been? I am doing wonderful. Today, guys, we have a new sub. It is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle for the month of August and September. This is a bi-monthly sub, and they reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to show you guys this box. So I said, of course, boo, send it my way. So here it is, and we're gonna unbox it. Before we go any further, guys, I wanna give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate it. We have a drink right here. I can't remember what this is called, but it's like, I don't remember, guys, but it's an alcoholic beverage. Cheers. Make sure before you leave this video that you are subscribed to be a part of my bomb-ass subscriber crew. Also, give this video a big thumbs up, guys, if this is the kind of content you like seeing from me. And I have my Instagram and Twitter down below in a description box, just in case you want to follow me there. I will also have all of American Influencer Beauty Bundles description stuff, links, all of that in the description below. So as I said, guys, this is a bi-monthly sub. This is their August-September box. It is retailing for $34 for this box. Every month they feature a different influencer. Last month was Manicador. So this month is PURLISSE, and I'm so excited to see what we got. I know they had some other unboxings out there for this box, but boo, if you ain't see TonyaNicole unboxing, girl, y'all know this where the party at, boo. You're supposed to get 5 to 6 different full-size product every other month. And I do have a promo link down in the description to save you 10% off of your box. So let's not waste no time. Let's make this box do what it do and cut it open, boo. Hey, let's take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. Ooh, got my little box cutter. Do I need it? I do. All righty. This is kind of late, guys. The hurricane really messed me up with my filming, but guess what? We back on track now. Ooh. All righty. So it says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. I love that. Does come with this little card, and Jennifer Yin is the creator and CEO of PURLISSE. Okay, cool. So that's what the front of the card looks like with her picture right there. On the back right here, it gives us all of the products as well as the prices. Perfect. So that we can know what they cost and if this box is worth it. So I'm gonna put it at the bottom right there. So let's just pull right on out. First thing I'm pulling out is this PURLISSE makeup bag, is it? This is a watermelon canvas cosmetics bag. And on the back it says, give your skin a burst of energy, right there. Oh, y'all, I'm wearing Kiss press-on nails. Let me know what y'all think about these nails. I think I'm gonna start doing press-ons. I don't know. I was polishing my nails a lot, but I think I'm gonna start doing press-ons because I like them and they're pretty quick to put on. All right, so when we pull out of the plastic, guys, this is what the bag looks like. A beautiful watermelon on the front, the writing on the back. It has a zipper right here in the middle. And there you go, that's the inside. And this little bag right here, guys, retails for $10. Next up, we have this watermelon energizing aqua balm. Okay, that's what the packaging is looking like right there, my loves. And on here it says it's a lightweight, oil-free gel cream. Y'all know I cannot see this. Refreshes and moisturizes. This is oily combination, normal and even for sensitive skin. Let me see what this is. It says this is a lightweight oil-free gel cream that instantly energizes, refreshes, soothes skin while providing hydration. And for the full size of this one, it would be $24, guys. Does have a safety seal here. Let's open it. What the heck, right? Yeah, let's open it and see. Let's squirt a little bit on our hand. So that's what it looks like, guys, like this cream gel there. It does smell like watermelon. Ooh, okay. And it's very hydrating. Okay, I like that. I like the way it soaks into my skin. Looks really good. Okay, $24 for the full size one of these. Next up, we have the pink charcoal watermelon antioxidant face mask with green tea. Okay, this is what that looks like right there, my loves. In here, you get 3.4 fluid ounces of products or 100 milliliters of product. So this, guys, is the Pink Charcoal Watermelon Antioxidant Face Mist. This Pink Charcoal and Watermelon Antioxidant Face Mist is a refreshing, hydrating, and soothing face mist packed with antioxidants, and this retails for $9.99. So let's see what that spritzer do, boo. Spray it. Oh, ooh, I don't know what that smell is. Might be the green tea, but it does have like this refreshing type feel. The mister is beautiful. I do like that. It does have like a little funny after smell. I don't know what that smell is, but it might be the charcoal in this. So it could be the pink charcoal. Okay, so this is basically a refreshing mist. Then we have the Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel Off Mask right here. And this is for purifying your pores, brightening your skin, and visibly firms and tightens your skin as well. This is for all skin types, and you get 2.5 milliliters of product in here. And let me open it up. Oh, like, babe, what, I got the dropsies? I don't understand. This is what it looks like right out of the box right there. I do love that it's like kind of flat. I do like this. And this is an antioxidant packed peel off mask with a marshmallow texture that works to energize, brighten, and tighten the appearance of skin. I'm definitely going to use this, guys. And this retails for 24 buckaroos right here. Does have a safety seal, but you know what? We're going to be using this pretty soon, so. Ooh, okay, so this is a peel off mask. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It is nice and pink. And ooh, it's nice and thick. So we're just gonna put that on our hand like that. It is sticky, guys. So we're gonna peel this off, if I remember, at the end of the video, okay? Next up, we have the Pink Charcoal Watermelon Purifying Cleansing Milk, and this has green tea in it as well. It gently cleanses the skin, is soap and sulfate free. Y'all, now listen, I do love cleansers. I always need them. So let me read up about this on this sheet here. So this is the Watermelon Purifying Cleansing Milk, sulfate free, pink charcoal and watermelon infused cleansing milk, gently cleanses the skin of impurities, removes makeup, tones, and soothes the skin. And you get how much in here? 3.4 fluid ounces of product, and this retails for $9.99, my loves. And it does have a safety seal. I'm not going to open this one yet because I am using a cleanser right now. So when I do decide to open this, I will keep you guys posted. This is the Coconut Oil and Coffee Body Scrub. It soothes, exfoliates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. It's for all skin types, and this thing is huge. You get 6 ounces of product in here, and it says here that it awakens the skin with this coffee body scrub that exfoliates, polishes, and hydrates to leave your skin feeling youthful, smooth, and luminous. And this retails for $24, guys. But this is beauty through Asian wisdom. I do like that. It has coconut oil, which softens and nourishes the skin, coffee, which reinvigorates and awakens the skin, fruit extracts, which promote elasticity. Y'all know what it is. I have a hard time saying that. Oh, my light's flickering. Clarity and skin suppleness, and you want to massage this onto your entire body. Rinse off. It's gentle enough for everyday use, and this is beautiful. Okay, I love the color, guys. Let me see. Has a safety seal, but I'm going to actually open this because I want to see if it's like a harsh coffee or not. Squirt it a little bit out. Oh, it does smell like, oh, it does smell like coffee. I do like that. That's what it looks like on my hand. And when I rub it in, you can feel it, but it does not feel harsh at all on my hand, which I really like. But you can feel like the little sand particles in it. But yeah, that's how it looks. Okay, I'm excited to actually use this. I don't know why I put it on my hand. I don't have nothing to wash it off with, but it does smell like coffee. I love that. And then our last product is this right here, which is the Coconut oil, and coffee silky body butter. And nothing is better than a body butter whenever you get out the shower, especially if you're like me. I love to take a little bit more on the hotter side showers, so my skin is usually very dry. So I love going in with a body butter just to kind of make it soft and give it that hydration and moisture back. So this soothes, hydrates, and nourishes, deeply moisturizes the skin. Is for all skin types, and you do get 6 ounces of product in here. This is the coconut oil and coffee silky body butter. This body butter smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes, while the coffee reinvigorates and awakens the skin. And this also retails for 24 bucks. I'm going to open this as well because I do want to smell it and see if it's good. Let's see if we can pull off our mask now before we apply this. Okay, let's pull off the mask real quick. Ooh, I love that. Oh, I love that. Look at that. I love it. It's like ASMR type stuff. That's how my hand looks after the mask right there. And we're going to put some of this body butter on it just to see. Just a little bit. Now, I don't get a real strong coffee scent from here, but that's how it looks. I don't really get a oh, that's sad. I wanted coffee. I like the way coffee smells, but that's how the body butter looks. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, hydrated skin. Look at that. Love it. So that was my final product in this month's American Influencer Beauty Bundle. We're going to quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're going to be done, guys. Let me take a drink first. So we received these coconut and oil body scrub, as well as the body butter, the pink charcoal and watermelon antioxidant face mask, pink charcoal and watermelon purifying cleansing milk, watermelon energizing marshmallow peel off mask, the watermelon energizing aqua balm, and this PURLISSE little cosmetic bag here. 7 products in this box. I will put the total somewhere around here, guys. So final thoughts on this box is I actually really enjoyed this box. I love the brand PURLISSE. I was first introduced to that brand in my Ipsy, and I have been loving it ever since. PURLISSE in the Ipsy box is quite pricey. This collection, surprisingly, is not as pricey as I thought. $24 is something $9.99 I could actually work with as far as skincare, and PURLISSE is pretty decent skincare. So I am excited to receive all of these goodies, and I'm very excited to test them out on my skin. So I will say that this was a great box for this month. $34 is not bad either when you get all of these products for your skin. I mean, and then it's every other month. So you're not like overwhelmed with products. You actually get a chance to use some of the products and see how they work. So I actually think that this is a pretty good deal, guys. But if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn piranhas. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give American Influencer Beauty Bundle with the PURLISSE box a whopping 4. I did like this, and I will look forward to using all of these products. But all in all, I thought it was a great box, guys. So please let me know in the comments below what you thought. I know there's a lot of unboxings of this already, but let me know what you thought about my box and my unboxing. Make sure that you give me a big thumbs up if this is the kind of content you like seeing from me. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of AIA's information will be down below, and make sure you are subscribed to my squad. And that's all that I have, guys. Until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. Spread love and joy, not hate. I love you all. Bye, guys.